Ma'am, let us know who is Jyoti Bora from you.
Okay, Jyoti Bora. See, I do event planning. I run a coffee shop. I take care of a company which does sports analysis. I've been heading it for last 12 years. I started it when I was just finishing college. Since I got selected for the state badminton, but I couldn't pursue because of an injury, and so I started this, and it's pretty good, going well. And I also teach, but I would like that people know that my passion lies in teaching yoga and meditation, which I've been doing for the last 12 years. I'm Art of Living faculty, teaching students across corporates, different age groups, guiding them on something which is core of life. Yeah, that's what I would like to talk about. Other things are just for, just for like anybody else, but this is where my heart lies. Yeah.
Yes, okay. What is the hygienic way to celebrate the womanhood?
See, hygienic way, basically what does any woman want? To look beautiful irrespective of the age, to be heard, to get some attention from people,
Yes.
and to excel in whatever they are doing. And is all that is what women need, little bit of attention, and to keep all this insane, we have to tap the roots. If you are stressed, if as a woman I'm stressed, then it's going to be seen outside in whatever work I'm doing. So the hygienic part is keeping your mind sane irrespective of whatever you're doing. So keeping your mind sane, the only way is to meditate.
மேம் உங்களை எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும், லைக் ஒரு ஆண்டர்ப்ரனரா, ஒரு வெட்டிங் பிளானரா அண்ட் சோஷியலி எல்லாரும் கூட கனெக்ட் ஆகுவீங்க. பட் எப்படி இவ்வளோ ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸாக ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுறீங்க?
எப்படி இவ்வளோ ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ் ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுறீங்க? சில நாள் வேலையே இருக்காது ஆக்சுவலாக. ஏன்னா ஒரு ஆஃபீஸ் போய், இஃப் யூ ஒர்க்கிங் சம்வேர் யூ வில் ஹேவ் அ செட் ரொட்டீன். எனக்கு ஒரு செட் ரொட்டீன் கிடையாது. சம்டைம்ஸ் ஒர்க்கே இருக்காது. ஐயோ என்னடா வாழ்க்கையில் வெட்டியாக இருக்குமோ அப்படி தோணும். சில நாள் நிறைய எக்கச்சக்கமாக வேலை இருக்கும். But I make sure when I have more work, that is when I meditate more in the morning. Morning is my time. So my day starts at 5:30. Then I really spend a quality time till 8:30. I don't use my phone. After 8:30, everything starts happening. The world wakes up and stuff. But the days I'm busy, I practice like intense meditation, and it has been there for a while. So I think once you have more responsibilities, more stress, usually people enna nenaipanga ayyo enik nariya vela irukku, then we prioritize ourselves much lesser. But the days when you are actually really held up and busy, that's when you have to prioritize your mind. And once your mind is settled, once you have a clarity, then how much ever work is there, and women has this power to do as much as they can. We have this amazing stretchable quality which is innate in us.
Yes.
So it naturally comes. அது எனக்குன்னு இல்லையா, நீங்க மெடிடேட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கூட அப்படிதான் இருக்கும்.
Okay. Spiritual attachment gives stress relief to people. உங்களோட பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூ என்ன?
அதுல பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூவே கிடையாது, ஒரே வியூ தான். Yes, it does definitely. But what is spirituality? Spirituality is not, ஒரு தனியான ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட் கிடையாது. You can be spiritual in doing whatever you're doing 100%. Right from cutting vegetables, if you're there in the moment, that is spirituality. For a musician, making a music is spiritual. For a carpenter, carving something is beautiful, it's spiritual. So anything you do 100% is spirituality. Yes. There's no separate, there's no two track. It's one path, and whatever you do, it can be spiritual.
Okay.
And that's how I think we should take our lives, like, so it's amazing to be known for being spiritual.
Yes. Kanthasashti Kavasam, positive hope. So what do you see?
கந்தசஷ்டி கவச்சம் தமிழ்நாடுல சொல்லவே தேவையில்லை, எல்லாருக்குமே மீனிங் தெரியும். இட் இஸ் ஃபார் த வெல்பீயிங் ஆஃப் த ஹெல்த், மைண்ட், இமோஷனலி, ஃபிசிக்கலி. பட் இதை பற்றி நான் ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்லணும்னா, திஸ் இஸ் வாட் ஐ ஹர்ட் ஃப்ரம் மை குரு ஸ்ரீ ஸ்ரீ ரவிசங்கர்ஜி. See, any word has power. இதே நான் வந்து இன்னைக்கு வந்து இஃப் ஐ ஸ்வேர் ஆன் யூ லைக் நான் உங்களை ஒரு கெட்ட வார்த்தை சொல்றேன்னா அதுக்கு ஒரு பவர் இருக்கு. உங்க இமோஷன்ஸ்ல அது ஒர்க் ஆகும், உங்க மைண்ட்ல அது ஒர்க் ஆகும். அதே மாதிரி when you are for 20 minutes saying something so powerful, you know, the words have the power to influence your mind. True. And that is what Kandashashti Kavacham or any chant irrespective of the religion. Okay. You know, when you are reading a Bible, so then you are there reading those positive, so it influences the mind. Same way goes with Quran or any other religion, any grantha or poem or you know you take. So any chanting is very good because it brings positivity.
Okay.
Like how a negative word can influence somebody being negative, a positive word will influence, and positivity has more power. So it's very important that we, you know, learn all these chants.